In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly switch between apps and windows with this keyboard shortcut. If you've ever found yourself constantly reaching for your mouse just to jump between different programs or browser windows, this shortcut is going to save you a lot of time and effort. We're going to focus on one simple key combination that works on most computers and can instantly make you feel more in control of your workspace. On a Windows keyboard, the main shortcut you'll use is Alt plus Tab. To try it, place your left thumb on the Alt key, usually found to the left of the spacebar, and then tap the Tab key once. When you do this, you'll see a small panel appear in the middle of your screen showing all the apps and windows you currently have open. Keep holding down the Alt key while you tap Tab again and again. Each tap will move the highlight to the next window in that list. When the highlight is on the app or window you want to switch to, simply release both keys. Your computer will immediately bring that window to the front. If you happen to go past the window you wanted, don't worry. You can keep tapping Tab until it cycles back around. Or you can pause, release the keys, and try again a bit more slowly. After a little practice, you'll naturally develop a rhythm that feels comfortable for you. You can also use the shortcut a bit differently. If you press and hold Alt, then hold Tab without releasing, you'll keep the window switcher panel open. While it's open, you can move left and right through your open windows either by tapping Tab or by using the arrow keys. This is especially helpful when you have a lot of windows open and want to carefully choose the right one. This shortcut is really handy in everyday tasks. For example, if you're typing a document and need to pull information from your browser, hold Alt and tap Tab to jump to your browser. Check what you need, then use Alt and Tab again to go straight back to your document. No mouse, no searching through the taskbar. Just a quick flip between your active windows. Spend a few minutes using Alt plus Tab whenever you work, study, or browse. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes, and soon you'll be switching between apps and windows almost without thinking.